We have more news coming in. It seems the Prime Minister has advised all MPs not to behave like Rahul. Don't emulate Rahul's behavior in Sansad is a word of advice from the leader of the Lok Sabha, that is the Prime Minister, to all NDA MPs. Do not behave in the manner in which Rahul Gandhi behaved yesterday in Parliament. Now that seems to be the word of advice from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's take a listen.
कल उनके लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन राहुल गांधी जी ने जो बिहेव किया और जैसे स्पीकर की तरफ में अपना पीठ दिखाता है, फिर नियम के बाहर बोलता है, फिर स्पीकर को ही इंसल्ट करते हैं, तो ऐसा हमारे पार्टी के लोग नहीं करना चाहिए। हमारे एनडीए के सांसदों को ऐसा जो नियम के बाहर काम नहीं करना चाहिए। ये हम सब के लिए सीख है।
Piyush Mishra is getting us more details on that story. The Prime Minister, as the leader of the House, advising MPs not to behave like Rahul Gandhi. What does the Congress, what would rather, I wonder, the Congress will have to say about this comment, Piyush?
Well, we are still waiting for the Congress's comment on this, but yes, it is an advice which has been given by Prime Minister to all the NDA MPs, where he has told NDA MPs not to behave in the manner in which Rahul Gandhi behaved yesterday on the floor of the House while giving speech as the leader of opposition. So it's a message not only to Rahul Gandhi but to all the MPs, irrespective of parties they belong to. That's what Kiran Rijiju, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister, has announced. He has said that the manner in which Rahul Gandhi behaved was not in good taste. In fact, what we are also learning is that in today's NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, the Prime Minister has also asked all the MPs to spend as much time as they can in the Parliament, and also to visit their constituency when Parliament is not in function, and thank voters and highlight the issues of their respective constituencies in Parliament. So the meeting of NDA Parliamentary Party went on for more than half an hour, and after that all MPs have come out. They are now going inside the Parliament. In 2 minutes from now, the Parliament will also resume, but a message has been categorically given out by Prime Minister that NDA MPs and also all MPs, irrespective of party they belong to, they should not behave in the manner in which Rahul Gandhi behaved yesterday in the Parliament.
Right, I'm going to thank you, Piyush, for getting us those details, Piyush Mishra, with that report on what the Prime Minister has said, advising all MPs not to behave like Rahul Gandhi. Don't emulate Gandhi's behavior in Sansad, is what the Prime Minister has told the MPs in the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, which was there. In just some time from now, in about 20 minutes from now, the Prime Minister, in fact, the houses will be convening. The Prime Minister telling the parliamentary board, the members of the board, essentially the MPs, do not behave like Rahul Gandhi.